Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enhance our video quality on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and for today's tutorial, we're going to use this application InShot video editor to enhance our video quality. So first thing first, you need to download and install this application on your Android mobile phone. Once you have installed this application, you can open it and you're going to create new project by tapping on this video option and then select new. Okay, and choose the video you want to enhance the quality. For example, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and click on this check mark to add it to our project. And I'm just going to cut the video to make the process faster, guys. Oops, wait. Okay, and to enhance our video quality, we can use or apply effect to our video. You can go to the effect and then select effect, and you have to go to the stylize category. This one, and we're going to apply HDR effect to enhance our video quality. You can choose this HDR, and then you can increase the value. Okay, increase the value and click on the check mark, and you have to make the effect align with your video like this. And you're going to export your video by tapping on this export button and then select the 4K resolution. Okay, and just click on export, and you just need to wait until the video has been exported to your gallery. Alright guys, and that's all the way to enhance our video quality on Android mobile phone using InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.